Krisp not working on your device? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your calls depend on it. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, restart Krisp and the app you're using, like Zoom or Discord. I mean, this fixes most temporary glitches. Next, make sure Krisp is selected as your microphone and speaker. Yeah, if the wrong device is selected, it won't work. Now, check your system permissions. Krisp needs access to your microphone to function properly, okay? Make sure your app is updated. Older versions can stop working or cause audio issues. If you're using other audio tools or noise cancellation apps, disable them. I mean, conflicts can break Krisp. Also, check your microphone input level. Yeah, if it's too low or muted, you won't hear anything. If it's still not working, uninstall and reinstall Krisp. This fixes corrupted files or bugs. And test Krisp with another app. This helps you figure out if the issue is with Krisp or your calling app. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp not working. One of these steps should get your audio working perfectly again. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.